We are learning more about the case of a West Seneca man who was allegedly practicing law without a license and now is facing some serious charges as a result. Since we first aired the story yesterday, it's been getting a lot of attention on our website. Dave McKinley here now with more. So Dave, what else have we learned about this situation?
Well, Kate, we contacted the state attorney general's office, which is prosecuting the case against 39-year-old Andrew Schnoor. We obtained from them a copy of the criminal complaint, but it is heavily redacted, so there are still some things we cannot tell you. What we can report is that Schnoor was arraigned today in Amherst Town Court, where he's due to return on March 30th, facing charges of grand larceny and practicing or appearing as an attorney at law without being admitted to the bar or registered. Charges serious enough to send him to prison if convicted. It is alleged that in July of 2019, Schnoor was hired as an attorney at an area law firm while presenting himself as a lawyer with 3 to 4 years of experience after having attended the NYU Law School. The complaint, though, as we said, and you can see here, is heavily redacted, with the AG's office having blacked out the name of the law firm that hired Schnoor and any references to the cases where he represented their clients. So there's really no way for us to find out at this point the name of that firm by cross-referencing court records. It does allege, though, that he performed legal work on 42 different matters for 9 different clients, for which the firm had hired him, billed those clients nearly $23,000. Schnoor's time at the firm only lasted 6 weeks when, according to the AG, another attorney complained of his apparent incompetence, and the unnamed firm he was working for then discovered he wasn't really an attorney after all and fired him on the spot. According to the complaint, Kate, that firm refunded the legal fees to their clients for the work performed by Schnoor. It also says during the 6 weeks that he worked for them, the law firm paid Schnoor $6,000 in salary.
Yeah, I mean, unbelievable, Dave, that something like that could happen.
Well, the real problem here is what happens to those cases that he worked on. What happens, do they get appealed? Does someone who got a judgment maybe not have one anymore? It is a real mess.
Yeah, more questions here for sure. More to come. Thank you, Dave.